Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. We will learn phonics. In this video, we will learn the sound of the letter E. We will learn the short sound of letter E. Elephant. Elk. Elephant, elk. Sound of the letter E is E. Eyes. Elbow. Sound of letter E is E. Eggplant. Exercise. Eggplant exercise. Let's learn few more words. Egg. Engine. Egg, engine. END, end. ELF, elf. EXAM, exam. EDIT, edit. EXIT, exit. ENJOY, enjoy. EMPTY, empty. End, elf. Exam, edit. Exit, enjoy. Empty. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.